guys, today we're going to make a circuit breaker, but not real, only a 250 volt switch AC. It's not a real circuit breaker, only a switch. So it says on the switch it's 250 volt AC, so we can attach it to the like 250 outlet, and we're going to drill some holes for the switch to put it on. I'm gonna put 3 switch on my circuit breaker, but not real, only a switch. Okay, watch the whole video, like and subscribe. Thank you. So okay, after that we're gonna add another switch to it's the same switch but it's black on the middle, and we're gonna do the same thing, another hole for the switch in the middle. It's a bit difficult, so we're gonna just start at the middle. So it's gonna be the perfect size for the switch to put it in. So hard. So okay, as you can see, this is like the unbelievable switch I ever seen. Like, you can turn it off from the other switch and you can turn it on the light on the other switch. That is so cool. I'm gonna show you that in my next video. And here we go, we're done. But something looks like something's wrong. The switch hole's not perfect. So here we go, we're done. I just fixed on the left side of the switch hole, and that's all fine. We're gonna add another switch. It's black, but can you see it? The switch is not perfect, right? And so okay, here we go, we're done. And look at that, I'm like something wrong. I need to put the other switch. I know, I'm gonna put the black on the middle, so the switch is not gonna look like ugly. Like, gonna put it in here like that. I'm gonna put it, there we go guys. I decided to put the black on the middle. We're gonna just take off this wire because it's not 250, it's not required for 250 volts. It's not required on AC. It might get burned. And after that, I'm gonna add some cardboard on the side, just like on the circuit breaker. And the glue gun's too hot, it's burning my hand. And another one on the side. I think it's not perfect, but you're just gonna see that on tomorrow, I think. And after that, we're just gonna add some few holes in the middle, just like on the circuit breaker. And after that, done. This thing takes a long time, so I skipped the video for you guys. So we're just gonna add like this small piece skin of the cardboard, just like that, cutting the perfect size for the circuit breaker, but not real.
2,000 years later.
So, ito na guys nga pala. Ito na siya, yung switch. Pag nakaganyan naman ay off. So, pag ano siya, press sa O, ibig sabihin naka-off. Kapag naman nandito sa letter I na yan, ibig sabihin yata yan, on. Yan, pag nakaganyan, on. On na yan, pag ganyan, off. So, alam niyo na, ito dito natin papasok yung 220 wire. 215 actual dito. So, ito yung socket natin ay 220. Hindi mo siya mabot ng 250, mga 240 lang yata. Ganun. 220 or 240. Ito yung likuran niya. Kahoy, ito. Saka nga pala, ito, inisprayan ko na nung chemical. May napanood ako sa YouTube para hindi masunog. Wala naman tayo pinag-usap. Okay guys, in my next video, I'm gonna make a vacuum. But you're gonna need some tools from this. Okay, I'm adding some wires. This is too short. Never mind. Ow! In like a few, like 2 years, I'm gonna add some what's that thing called? I hope it won't pop. Yes. Gee. I'm joking. That must be already working, right? I just realized it's too close to the... Okay, let's test it. Put it in the AC. I'll hold the camera first. 220 high voltage. Alright, we're here. Let's see. Nothing wrong, right? Oh, it's working. It's 255, but it's 255 in here in the other socket. There's nothing in here. This one's nothing. Oh, big changes. Nice. Wait, I forgot the lock. Well, just add that tomorrow. I mean, my next video. Okay, see you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll just add the lock in my next video.